This RE/Max Equity Group property video is presented by Tracy Norris. Stunning bull mount home with mounted views from the rear deck. Excellent floor plan with a gourmet kitchen, granite counters, stainless steel appliances and hardwood floors. Primary suite has a ceiling fan, a soaking tub, and a walk-in shower. 3 upper bedrooms are 12 by 12 plus a bonus room. The bedroom and full bathroom on the main level is a rare find. New exterior paint in 2021, and a new Timbertrek deck in 2018. A fenced yard and an athletic court with an NBA regulation backboard. Open house Sun 1:30 to 3:30 for more information. Review the details below or contact Tracy Norris at 503-701-5972.